Right, next my grade 9 chapter, equations. Already I complete indices for grade 9. There are a couple of 4 videos I think. Full solutions, all the rules and everything I complete there. The same series we'll see now the grade 9 maths equation, your chapter 15 in your local book. So put the heading equations. That's very important. Without an equation solving knowledge, there's no future mathematics. Further you can't go ahead. Because most parts, we need the equation ideas. Especially there are 3 types of equations. One is called simple equation or linear equation. Other one is a simultaneous equation. The other one last in O-level syllabus in grade 9, 10, 11. Quadratic equation, simple, simultaneous, quadratic. Quadratic comes in the grade 10 and 11. So you have the 2 types of equation here, simple equation or linear equation and the simultaneous equation, right? Simple equation you learn already from grade 6, the idea, for example, 5 apples, 20 rupees or 200 rupees. Then how much an apple? You know the idea. It's an equation idea. We can solve by mentally or any method we give the answer. But the idea basically equation knowledge. That's the method, right? Let's give some revision problem also. I will show many problems. The basic to advanced we come first. Simple equation. So put the heading there for write this heading. Simple equation. Simple equation. So problem is solve. The questions come solve or find the values of x or y, a, b like that. I'll start from the beginning, very easy to advance. I show you problem by problem. See one question. X plus 3 equal to 9. Find the x value, find the solutions of x value. Very basic question. I start from the beginning. Those who learned previous grades or your failure in this lesson, from today, from this video onwards, you can get the high knowledge of the solving. Those are newcomers, subscribe this, then you will get many videos for grade 9, 10, 11 and advanced level combined maths. Also I have this different channel, Bright Academic Handy, that channel. This is all primary class or secondary class, different channel. Okay, so what the x answer? X equal 9, take the plus 3 other side, minus 3. That's the inverse operation, right? Take the plus other side, minus, we need the x value. Therefore x equal 6. I hope you know these things. I start from the beginning basically and we go to one by one. The second question, x minus 4 equal to 5. X minus 4 equal to 5. Solve this equation, find the x value. So what the idea? Take the minus 4 that side, x only keep this left hand side. So x answer 5 plus 4, that is 9. Okay, x equal 9. See another question, problem 3. So 2x equal 8. 2x equal 8. What do you mean 2x? 2 multiple x. So 2 multiple by another number is 8. So what is that number x value? The x equal 8. The multiplication that side divide. We call inverse operation. Divide by 2. What is 8 divided by 2? 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. See next fourth question. X by 3. So you also work with me. So those are watching this video, you prepare a notebook. You prepare a school notebook or whatever notebook and continuously work this. Then when the school reopen, you complete many chapters. They discuss the teacher. Easily you can complete your full book or any exam preparation method. X divided by 3 equal 5. So what the x answer? So this division 3, take other side. It become a multiplication. So x equal 5 multiple 3, that is 15. See this 4 question, what I shown basically, not only basic, but the 4 ideas. Mathematical 4 operations, additions, subtracts, multiple and divide. 4 operation are involved here. So you know the method: addition, inverse negative, minus inverse is a positive, multiple is divide, the other side, the division come other side, multiple. It's the method, very basic 4 question. Right, next problem 5. Fifth question. I say 2x minus 7 equal 9. So a little bit we go ahead. Find the x value. 2x minus 7 equal to 9. So here I am showing not like the primary method straightly, but we use in the advanced grade 9, 10 secondary level, right? So to find the x value, you have to remove the minus 7, also remove the 2. They are disturb us. Minus 2 and 2 are resist. They won't allow to give the answer. To remove those things, very first, minus 7 this side, plus answer. So 2x equal 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. So 2x equal 16. Therefore, multiplication idea. So divide x equal 16 divided by 2. That is 8. X equal 8. See another question. 5x plus 3 equal to 18. 5x plus 3 equal to 18. Find the x value here. So like the same idea, to find the x only alone one side, take the 3 other side and the 5 other side. First we take the plus 3 this side, become negative, minus. So 5x answer 18 minus 3, that is no doubt 15. 5x 15, therefore x answer 15 divided by 5, that is 3. X equal 3, x value answer 3. Next question number 7. (3x minus 7 equal), I mark like this, x minus 5. See, I should start from the basic step by step. So good opportunity to learn this video series. Take the note clearly. So find the x answer. So the idea, what we have to complete, what we have to solve, take all one side, number part, other side. That's the method, right? Unknown part one side, numerical part other side. Therefore, I take this x this side, minus 7 that side. So what happened? 3x. This x this side, minus x. It's a positive x, no, therefore minus x. This minus 7 that side, plus 7. Here already minus 5 available. So 3x minus x, 2x equal 7 minus 5, 2. 2x, 2 means x equal what? 2 divided by 2. The answer is 1. X equal 1. Next, another question, problem 8. Minus 3x equals 6. Minus 3x equals 6. Find the x answer. So if you work like this, x equal, here 6, the minus 3, I mentioned many work, minus take other side, I said that minus 3 take other side, plus 3, that is 9, x equal 9. Sometimes one of you work like this. This is wrong, this is wrong. Why it's wrong? Here what happened, what is 3x mean? 3 times x, multiplication. Not the subtract 3 here, not the added. 3 times x is a multiplication. Therefore, x answer take the multiple minus 3 other side, divide by minus 3. So you know 6 divided by 3 is 2, but minus 2, right? X equal minus 2. So next another question number 9. You keep it a 50-100 problem, we all knowledge. Then no matter, no questions hereafter. That's the way of studying mathematics. If you go to if your opportunity, if your intention, ambition, go ahead to high achievement, take a gold. Mathematics mean questions. We have many problems. 9 minus 2x equal 3x plus 7. Now try this question. Stop the video, now you can try this. Pause the video and try yourself. So yeah, what the idea? So I said mention x1 side, number other side. Or what the term we have to solve, we have to find. Keep it one side, other side, other numbers or any part of the question. So in this case, here minus 2x, better I take the minus 2, always positive is better than negative. I found in my experience, students feels very difficult with negative dealing. Minus, adding or multiple, they mostly fail in the O-level students also. Therefore, avoid those parts. Minus 2, I take that side. Plus 7, take this side. So 9 minus 7 equal 3x minus 2 that side plus 2x. Rearranging. What is 9 minus 7? 2. 2 equal 5x, is it? That means 5x equal to both same step, right? 2 equal 5x. 5x equal to both same meaning. So 5x 2 mean what is 1x? 5x we work many times. 3x divide by 3. 5x to find the 1x. 2 divide by 5. So don't think so hereafter. 2 divide by 5, that's enough. Don't think 2 divided by 4 is what? 2 cannot be divided by 5. Or don't argue with yourself. It's a decimal answer, that's enough, right? 2 over 5. Next, say question number 10, the same idea. Rearrange the x1 side. Number, wherever you can take. Wherever you took that x rearrangement, final solution is unique, same answer. So can I take 4 there? Because the highest side, I wish to take the highest side x, highest side, the highest part there. Here 6, and I take the 4 that side. So here minus 3, minus 9 this side plus 9 equals 6x, 4 other side minus 4x. So what is minus 3 plus 9 plus 6? Plus 6. 6x minus 4x, 2x. So 2x equal 6. Therefore x equal divide by that. So x answer 6 divided by 2. So better you try on, pause the video, try you on. Now you are stay at home. Stay at home safe. You can work this with me. So check with my answer, correct it for any problem. Let me know that ideas. Next question number 11. Try this. 5x minus 8 equal 3x plus 2. Same idea, same types. solve that if you work. Better you try your own. Don't copy my work. Useless. Only data wasted. If you copy my work only, that is data. This is the tough data problem. If you view this by through the data, no any. So try on. So rearrange. Here the largest x, 5x. 3x that side minus 3x. Here 2 minus 8 this side plus 8. What is 5x minus 3x? 2x, which is equal to 10. Therefore x equal 10 divided by 2, 5. X equal 5. This one. Better you take all the largest x one side. You can take the minus to this side. 6x plus 2x. Here 25. 11 that side minus 11. What is 6 and 2? Every equation has a solution. Every equation, everybody can get the answer. Everybody can solve that. But the problem is accuracy of the solution, whether it's correct or incorrect. For that you have to study properly. So here 8x equal, what is that, 16? 14. So x equal 14 divided by 8. That's the improper fraction. Numerator become the greater than the denominator. Yeah, but better you give this mixed type or decimal. But by 2, 7 over 4. So x answer 4. 7, 4 one time. Balance 3, is it? That's the exact answer. Or you can give decimal also, but fraction better than decimal, right? Next question number 13. It's a very useful lesson today, this video for the I will show some more couple of video for equation series. It's my first video. See next question. 2 into x plus 1 o equal to 9. This you learn grade 8. We are revising that and I go ahead to the advanced problem for grade 9. So solve this. One of the question oral paper also, one of the problem is something this type in the part 1 paper. So same as your future term papers for grade 9. So what is the x answer here? Bracket. First time I am showing the bracket format. Usually we use method. If there's a bracket, multiple by the bracket, the number multiple. Okay. So multiple by 2. 2 times x, 2x. 1 times 2 equal 9. So bracket removed out. Now so like the previous method. Take the plus 2 that side. 2x equal 9 minus 2. Plus 2 other side minus 2. Therefore 2x equal 7. So you know what is x answer. X equal therefore 7 divided by 2. Otherwise 3.5 okay, or 3.5. Is one method. I can show another method also. Mostly we use this pattern. Sometimes if this number can be divisible by 2. Not divisible, can be divided by 2. Divisible means there's a balance, no balance. Divisible means without balance, no. So can divide by 2, that's 4.5, no. Therefore another method, this multiplication 2, I take this side. So every mathematics student should know various methods. So x plus 1 equal 9 divided by 2. Okay. So x plus 1 equal 4.5. So take the one other side, subtract 4.5 minus 1. 3.5. That's also easy, but you can't use every problem like that. It can be proper division only we can answer, that is right. Otherwise multiple the bracket. And the question 5 into x minus 3 equal what, like 12. Let's say 12. Try this. So the bracket format, using the bracket simplifying idea, right? So this here difficult to divide by 5 is 12, better multiply the bracket. So 5x minus 15 is 12. Now take the minus 12 that side, 12, this other side plus 15. So 5x equal 27. So there's a value, it can be decimal fraction, not always the whole number, it can be anything, right? So x answer 27 divided by 5. We give the fraction format. 27, how many 5s? 5 times. 2 rest. Okay, so next some more long part. Problem by problem, improving the hardness or the heavy of the problem. In this case, multiple the bracket by 3, multiple the bracket by plus 4. If you once remove the bracket, it becomes your ordinary method what we done earlier problems. Multiply by 3, every part should multiply by 3. 6x plus 1 times 3 equal plus 8x plus 20 equal 40. Okay, now we count added total how many x terms available. 6x, 8x, 14x plus 3 plus 20 plus 23 equal 40. Okay. Now rearrange. How to find the x value? Remove the 23, also remove the 14. First to remove the plus 23 this side, minus 23. So every part I mentioned already in the problems. Minus 23. So 14x equal, what is it? Subtract 7. Here what? 3, 1. So 1x equal 17 divided by 14. Any number, anything can be answered. So let's give the mixed fraction. As you learn the grade 6 maths. 17, 14, 1 time, balance 3. That's the answer. 1 of 3 over 7. Question number 16, those most valuable problems. I start from the beginning. Take full opportunity of this video. Very important. Next one, 4 into, take x minus 5 equal 14 minus 5 into 2 minus x. An important question. Solve, find the x value. So we remove the bracket step by step. Multiply 4x minus 20. Okay, and here what? 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus x. 14 minus, properly watch my video from the beginning to end. You have to continue the video. So 4x minus 20 equal, now multiply 9, 18 minus 9x. Now you can shuffle and find the x answer, okay? How this? This is wrong. I'm showing by experience the student when I am the marking penalty. When you use it, any problem comes in this error, common mistake. I am saying the international error, some students using this. So what's wrong? You can't say 9 here. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here no 5. 14 available. Here what? 5 multiple here. 5 into. 5 belongs to bracket. Therefore multiple by 5. Multiple by minus 5. Not the subtract. Very important. Also important. Cut it and work once again. Therefore here 4x minus 20, 14 multiplied by minus 5, minus 10 plus 5x, plus 5x. Now rearrange all the x, one side number, other side. Here 4x, 10, not 10 next. So where the biggest, I can take this side, 4x. Take the plus 5 this side, minus 5. Wherever you can take, right? 14 minus 10, 4. Take the minus 20 that side, plus 20. What is 4 minus 5? There was a problem. Somebody say 1. 4 minus 5, 1. Then 5 minus 4, that also 1. How one that happens? Small number minus large number, minus 1x, 24. The questions are find the x value, solve or find the x value, not the minus x value, right? So minus x 24 mean x equal minus 24. Put the negative this side, right? That's the method. Question 2 into, this from your book problem, page 75, 15.1 exercise. There is so many brackets, so I start from the beginning and I show a little by hard problem, longest problem, see find the x value. There are curly brackets also here, double brackets or curly brackets, inside the single brackets. So to solve, we have to remove these brackets. Keeping the brackets, you can't solve. Can you try if you want? There is. So this is everything outside 2, right? Therefore 2 multiple with this bracket. Therefore easy here. This multiple 2 take other side because 18 can be divisible by 2. No, that's better for this question. That method is easy than the other method, right? Therefore 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 equal 18 divided by 2. The multiplication. Well, if a value with a bracket mean multiple meaning, so take that side, divide. I multiply 2x minus 1 times 2 plus 2. This is outside the bracket, don't say 4. Don't say 4 outside the bracket here. Here 9. Okay. And now see minus 2x plus 2x vanishes 0. Therefore 2x equal 9. So x equal 9 divided by 2, 4 and half. 4 and half. Okay, that's the method. The same idea this also. Here 5, the 60 can be divisible. Therefore easy that is. Everything outside multiple by 5, no? Take other side, divide. So 3 into x plus 2 minus 2 into x minus 1, 60 divide by 5. Multiply by 3, 3x plus 6. Multiply by minus 2 plus 2. 60 divided by 5, 12. 12. Okay. Now count how many total x terms available. 3x, 2x, 5x. Don't say 5x. Here minus subtracting. 3x minus 2x, 1x. Take all the number part of the side, plus 6 other side, minus 6. Plus 2 other side, minus 2. So what is x equals, subtract 12 minus 6, 6 minus 2, 4. X equal 4, right? See a good problem, the question like this. Equal to that. Find the x value. So the useful video today, first video of this equation series I started in the beginning. If you follow my second video, third, then full chapter completed successfully by solving all these questions. Without this you can't use the simultaneous equations knowledge, right? Try on, stop the video and try on collect these answers. Then only the interesting maths become interest. Once you work before the teacher, whatever, no problem, it comes error, wrong, no matter. You can see the scientist history, Albert Einstein, very poor in maths, especially Thomas Alva Edison. So, but they are genius in mathematics and science world. Therefore, no matter it's error, no matter, practice it. So this idea, here not completely outside the bracket, right? Number 6 separately, take 6 that side, to the curly bracket, equal to what? 58 minus 6. 58 minus 6. So 2 curly bracket x, inside you can multiple, remove the small bracket, single bracket, 3x plus 6. Here what? 52. Now one of the problem here, I made this type. Better you take this 2 that side. Everything multiply by 2, take that side. Inside 1x, 3x, 4x plus 6. 52 multiple to that side, divide by 2. So 4x plus 6, 26. So take the plus 6 other side and continue work. 4x equal to 20. Therefore x is 5. So long problem. This for your questions it becomes part 2 problem. They will give you 3 or 4 marks. Answer is 5, right? On this one, everything outside 5. That means 5 multiple with the curly bracket. So better you take the 5 this side. So 2 plus 3, x plus 2, here what? 10 divide by 5. Multiple this side, divide. So 2 plus, can I multiply 3? Remove the single bracket now. 3 times x plus 6. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now fine. 3x equals, take all the number this side, all the addition becomes subtract. Therefore 3x equal 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 6. 3x minus 6 means x equal minus 6 divided by 3, that is minus 2. X equal minus 2. How is your book problem? Remember one thing, every equation has a solution. The problem is whether the answer solution is correct or incorrect. That's why you have to study more ideas and solving types. So this question, find the x answer. Here better you remove this curly bracket first. 7x 5 4. Very first remove the small bracket inside. Multiply minus x minus 1 plus into minus equal to 17. Then what? 7x plus 5. Inside the bracket better you simplify. That means what? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3 minus x equals 17. Long problem, 7x. Now multiply 5. Multiply 5. 15 minus 5x equals 17. Now get the answer. How many x terms? 7x minus 5x, 2x. Take the plus 15 this side. 17 minus 15, 2. 2x, 2. 2 toffees, 2 rupees. 1 toffee, 1 rupee. X is 1. X is 1. The solution method, solving simple or linear equation. Practice more to get high knowledge.